How to turn on or turn off Bluetooth HID logging on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Developer. If you do not have the developer option, you can turn it on by going into Privacy and Security. Then we scroll down and then tap on Developer Mode, and in here tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Once it is turned on, you can now go into Developer, and then we scroll down, and in here tap on HID logging, turn it on to turn on Bluetooth logging, or you can switch it off. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.